fall off.
You're not gonna fall off, I promise you. But that's the whole point. Like we're gonna need like gravity to help.
Yeah.
So let your arms relax. Perfect. Just let that drop. Let that drop. Good. Well done. Perfect. And now roll onto this side for me, please. Nice.